Welcome to FAD Tutorial. In this video, I will teach you 1-inch NPS min nominal pipe size socket weld flange rating 300 RTJ min ring type joint. So this is ASME B16.5. So let's go to the Solidworks and create this 3D model. So we are in Solidworks right now. So just first of all, we go to the new part. Okay, and select the front plane, sketch, draw a central line as a reference, and close. Go to the sketch and use this reference. We're using this reference as a revolve command later on. So basically we draw this basic sketch first, and after that we will do the dimensions. So first of all, we dimension this reference line, which is 25 plus 6.35. So total height is 31.35. So we'll go to the Solidworks, smart dimension. It is 25 plus 6.35. So 31.35. So this is the reference dimension. We draw this sketch as a reference first. So free sketch first of all. So select this one. Okay, our reference sketch is ready. So first of all, we go to the dimensioning part. So first of all, this dimension 6.35. Go to the smart dimension and dimension this. So it is 6.35 mm. Close. Now we use this dimensions 15.9. Okay, go to smart dimension 15.9. Close. And now we use this dimension, which is 25 mm. So select this one, and 25. Close. Okay, and the dimension from this end to this end is 54. So divided by 2 should be half. 54 divided by 2, it is 27. Okay, and the next dimension we are using 33.4. So divided by 2, smart dimension, this 33.4 divided by 2, it is 16.70. So if we 54 minus 33.4, if we subtract this value 54 minus 33.4, so it is 20.4. So 20.4 divided by 2, it is 10, and 10 divided by 2, it is 5.15. So it is a big calculation. I will show you through calculator. So 54 minus 33.4. So this is this dimension, which is 20.6. So we are using both sided. So 20.6 divided by 2, again it is 10.3. So 10.3 is the half. So this dimension is half of 10.3. So 10.3 divided by 2, it is 5.15. So the dimension is 5.50. Sorry, 5.50. So this dimension is done. Okay, so now we go to our sketch again. So this dimension, which is 70, distance from this to this end. So 70 is divided by 2. So 70 divided by 2, it is 35. Okay, so this detail is mentioned here, but we select this dimension first, which is 50.8. So I select this center to center. 50.8 divided by 2. So this dimension is, I close this one. I check that, 50.8. Yeah, 50.8 divided by 2 is 25.4. No issue. This dimension is correct. So I just make it similar. Okay. So this is okay. So we go to the detail. The detail is here, which is the width is 8.74. 8.74. So close this calculator. Go to the Solidworks, which is smart dimension 8.74 width. So the angle is, main thing is angle. If you see there, it is 23, means 90 is the main angle. So 90 minus 23, it is 67. Okay. So first of all, we go to the height also, which is 6.35. So I select this one, smart dimension 6.35. Okay, now it's part to the angle. So I select the center line. Okay, and center line on the other side also. Okay, and smart dimension it is 67. Okay, and this angle is also 67. Sorry, this is, we need to select this one and make it parallel. So our model is ready. All the details and dimension are we added. So now is we use features. Go to revolve boss command and select this as a reference. So 3D sketch is done. So yeah, this is done. So select this front plane, sketch, and draw a circle. Select this one. So if you go to the drawing, here it is mentioned as 3 by 4 inch dia. So we converted into mm, it is 19.05. So I select smart dimension 19.05 mm. Okay, so circle is done. So the distance here it is mentioned, it is 88.9. So we divided 88.9, smart dimension 88.9 divided by 2, it is 44.45. So go to the we use the circular sketch command, select this all, close, feature, extrude, cut. So select condition through, so close. So our model is ready. This is socket weld. Basically the pipe will be fitted here, and after that the fillet will be applied. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please support this channel. I will upload more videos like that. Thank you very much.